So, I know I just got back from Vegas literally yesterday, but pack with me for Portland, Oregon. Don't get me wrong, I love traveling, but obviously it's exhausting, so luckily I'm not staying for like 2 weeks this time, like Vegas. Just staying like 2 full days and then 4 nights. So I need to show you guys this before I begin packing. Look at this Amika thing. It completely emptied out on the plane. It spilled all over in plane. What the freak, Amika? I put the Sephora bag on my bed, got all over my bedding, so I had to wash it. First off, I'm going to bring my Peppa skincare because it's my favorite, and I can also bring perfume, if you know, you know. Actually, I think instead of bringing a full-size cleanser and moisturizer, I'm just going to bring these 2 mini ones because I think it'll be enough just for 4 days. I'm also going to be bringing all this makeup, but basically we're going to Portland because I wanted to do this like cave tour thing. Don't ask. I had like a cave phase. I still want to do it, but there was a phase. like, you know, like John Jones case. I was obsessed for a minute. But anyways, now we're also just going to go back to school shopping, so yeah. I mean, it does feel a little excessive to stay in a hotel and stuff for back to school shopping, like it wasn't that serious. Anyways, makeup is all packed, and of course I'm not complaining. Since we're doing the cave tour, I need to pack like one really warm outfit because it's like 43 degrees in the cave. Guys, I take my outfits that I wear to the mall very seriously. I don't know why, so this is a really big decision, honestly. I want to wear like my cutest outfit that I bring to the mall because, again, I take it very seriously because I want to look cute when I shop, you know? But anyway, so I think that's cute. I think I'm going to bring these. So if you guys saw my pack with me for Las Vegas, you guys should have reminded me because I almost forgot pajamas. I packed them last minute. Got the little fancy preppy pajamas, of course. I'm also gonna bring one extra outfit for after the cave tour because I'm not gonna want to be wearing like my warm clothes when it's hot out. Almost forgot the most important thing. We have to pack a baby calico critter to come with us. I'm gonna bring this little cutie. This is the house he'll be staying in. So sweet. But anyways, I'm all done packing. So if y'all got this far into the video, comment on this travel emoji in the comments, and I love you guys so much. Bye.